The leaders' residence. When they are resident to their kitchen. Move to their bath house. For the both male and a female. Both male and female. For the boys under training. We have some little open over here. When they bring bread. When they prepare their meal. Where a number of them sleeps. The window or the louvers lack of fund or money, we have resorted to use the mat to cover it as a window, whereby it's not liable when it rains. People's items are being drenched by rain or water when it rains. The corridor here is used for the consultation. The corridor is used as consultation. And instead of using the door, lack of fan, you have to use a curtain as a door, as a temporary door. Use curtain as a door where there's a lot of people sleeping here. It's a sleeping place. Likewise, the next a number of people and this is where they live. This is where they live. A number of them. Likewise, this door also is saving another over here. Serving as a sleeping place. The same time as well, the kitchen. Each structure and when it rains. During the time of heavy rainfall, it is not easy to tolerate. They encounter a lot of a problem. Rain got beating people's and their items and belongings. This is where they fed their drinking water and domestic water as well. This is the only dependable water they have in the community. This is the dependable water they have. But during the time of a dry season, it got dry up. And they need to resort by carrying jerry cans, as you can see. They resort by carrying jerry cans all along to the nearby villages to fetch or to look for their need. Or to meet their thirst of water. So when they stay with their case. This is containing a whole lot of loss. And due to this cannot contain all of them, so some are forced to sleep under the mango tree with their nets. And they are forced to sleep under the mango tree under the nets. Forced to sleep. As you can see, somebody is suffering from a leg, infected leg, and it also has over here. And it is not very pleasant for sight people to live among the healthy one. But due to the lack of accommodation, we are forced to house all of them under one roof. That forced us some of them to sleep under the mango tree. And since the housing situation cannot accommodate all that they have, some of their belongings are lying under the tree as well. as well as they themselves, they sleep under the tree. Forced to come back to sleep under the tree, which is what? Inhuman in every society. People over here and their parents. Or the toilet over there. Oh, they can be there. I'm not for you to be quiet. This. So this another laboratory. This another tent which is housing the old lady and the grandchildren. And this one is service. This is where they cook. Or this one. Okay. And they use firewood alongside. As you can see, the thatch, when it rains, it is a problem. When it rains, it is a problem. When it rains, it's a problem for them. Place. This is where we house them sometimes, or often, due to the insufficiency of the housing. So they are forced to sleep under the tree if they are net. And this another bed, as you can see. This another one where a lot of people sleep. So in some of their luggage is the best. This is where they keep their belongings. This is a place where we worship, but due to the lack of housing problem or accommodation problem, after worship we are forced to. The place of worship also serves as a sleeping place for us. It's also served as a sleeping place for a lot of them. As we can see, this is the place where we worship, serving at the same time as sleeping place, but the structure, the nature of the structure, look, the materials used, this is just a temporary materials for this construction due to the lack of fan. So we are calling, or we are appealing for the benevolence to come to aid, so that the right thing should be put in place. They should look at the pins we use instead of the pillars. So we are appealing for the benevolence to come to the aid of the